All right, here we come to the elevators at San Francisco International Airport, and we're gonna take the middle elevator car. Look at that custom indicator. Have a great day, y'all.
Yeah, this.
Yep, this is the right one. Anyways, these are the elevators at San Francisco International Airport in Terminal 2. You hear the brakes. I'm not sure these are EcoSpace or MonoSpace, but it's got EcoDisc drive system. Door close button does not work, I don't think. Go for one more ride. Stop to pick someone up.
Thank you.
You're welcome, y'all.
So you couldn't go from there to 3 and then...
Not anymore because it's closed off now
Okay.
because of the construction.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's definitely closed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard about it last week. I think that's Terminal 3 you're referring to. Have a great day.
You too.
Yeah, I'm glad somebody mentioned about Terminal 3. The location where the Otis Lexan elevators are, that part of the terminal is closed for construction, and the elevators there are sadly no longer accessible. All right, up to 2 went in there. Because we got a gate to catch. But what I really want to show is the custom-made directional lantern. I really want to see that. I really want to see the custom directional lantern because those are awesome.
They just give you, the keys are in the top. Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and get off because this thing is getting quite busy.
Going down 2.
Okay, hit 1, press the first floor button, and then press 2 and 3 when you come back up. You can come out now. You can come out. Good job. Thank you so much. Good job. And those are the custom-made lanterns. All right, there it goes, and that's it.